Did you know that the Toyota Hiace has a radiator shutter or a snow screen for cold weather? That is right. So in the event that your van is not keeping warm in the wintertime, or if the heater is not working, you can close the shutter to restrict airflow at the radiator. Let's look at it. So first you want to open up your engine bay. One-handed here. Lift it up. And right here is a cable. You pull it out, you wrap it around this, and it closes the shutter. So here in the Hiace manual, can you read that? It talks about the snow screen. So look, it's got that little device there with a rope. It's kind of talking about it. And right here is a chart that tells you how open and closed it is based on the color on the string. So right there we have a blue. So when we translate this, it shows that red is fully closed. I think yellow is 70%, which I don't know if it means open or closed. Probably 70% open. And then blue is open all the way. So essentially you pull this rope out and it opens and closes. So let's open it up and see what happens. All right, so I think I'm just gonna unhook this loop from the handle here. I'm just gonna pull on it. Oh yeah, perfect. You can see there is the yellow and there's the red. So then once you have it where you want it, then you wrap it around that eyelet. Just like that. Now you block off some airflow to the radiator to help keep the engine warm, and simply unwrap it and it'll kind of spring back eventually. There it goes. Like that. Perfect. Now remember, if you closed that radiator shutter to help your engine stay warm in extreme cold weather, when warmer weather returns, you'll want to open that back up so you don't overheat the engine. Otherwise, that could be bad news.